Welcome back to my holiday vlogs. We're having a little Christmas on Oahu, Christmas in Hawaii kind of day. You have to be pretty intentional about getting into the holiday spirit here just because with no change of seasons, there's no real mark that it's the start of the holidays. So today we're gonna venture out into the world, do some holiday adventures. My mom and I are going shopping today, which is always an interesting experience because we will just egg each other on, and we both have... I get my shopping addiction from her, so I'll say that. My goal today is to not buy anything for myself. I really just want to get gifts because I haven't gone Christmas shopping yet in person, only online, and that's no fun. So it'll be nice to go in person. Let's get today started. Doing one of these bad boys. Cheers. I have this habit, and it's awful. Even with alcohol, I will unintentionally, I don't know how to just go down the hatch. It will simmer in my mouth. I don't know how to just make it go down immediately. It sits there for a while. Ugh. Okay, anyway. Oh boy. It is a sunny day. It's so hot out. As much as I would love to dress up today and look cute, I'm trying to be functional. So I think I might wear a little workout dress. This could work. This looks so small. I'm with the creator of my shopping problems. Please. Literally please, as if you don't know. No, I was telling them we just egg each other on. Yes, get it. You need that. We don't need it.
It's inspiration.
Sure.
Inspired.
But mostly we're Christmas shopping for other people today. I have a little list on my phone. Yeah, we have a few places we're gonna hit up and then we're gonna go to lunch. So let's get after it.
And you're on my list too for today.
Oh, thank goodness. Okay, we're in Nordstrom now. We're getting my annual gift of something that I refuse to buy myself, but...
This is her stocking stuffer.
That is the most expensive stocking
That's
stuffer.
okay, from Le Level.
Basically, it's $70? 60?
I think it's $80 for the shower wash, but she's worth it.
That smells good. Okay, we got the goods, and girl math, because we thought it was gonna be more expensive and then it was less expensive than we thought, we saved money on that.
Incredible.
So that was one of my Christmas gifts for my mom. I get it once a year, so I just kind of ball out because it's kind of ridiculous to spend that much money on a body soap, because I would never do it for myself, but she would, so thank you.
This is a stocking stuffer. It's not her real present.
Period. We officially have a reason to go to the baby section since my sister is having a child. This is so cute. This is so cute. I'm dead. That's so extra. I'm obsessed. It's really weird that we're gonna have a baby in the family. Grandma. Auntie. This is just so crazy. And also my sister's moving home soon, literally at the end of this month, which is wild. So lots of changes in the Moniz family. That is my last name. Jules is not my last name. Jump scare. I hate peeing in a romper because now we have to get naked in a public bathroom. I don't know why it just feels so vulnerable and humbling. Okay, we're all refueled. And we're going to Macy's next. I feel like Macy's just always screams Christmas. Something about it is so cozy. So we're gonna check it out in there, and then I think we're gonna be done for the day. This is what I'm talking about. So cute. Oh look, they have the buxom. Wow. It's so cozy in here. Ooh. Yummy. A cake pop kit.
Where?
Stop this. I would literally die. That is so fun.
Does it really come good?
I don't know. I mean, I probably wouldn't take the effort to do it, but that's just cute. These do sound so yummy though. I'm obsessed with caramel. Wow. I used to be obsessed with Swedish fish. I remember when I was growing up, New York used to have an It's Sugar, which is like a candy store, and we never had one here, but now we do have one here. But like back in the day, I would just get bags of candy. I used to be really big on candy. Not so much anymore. Back in the day though, I was gonna turn up. That was a success.
That was
My
so much fun.
mom got me pit spray from Aesop. She was like, oh, you need that. I'm like, okay, cool. I've talked about this on my podcast though. Like if I don't put in the work, it is scary. That smells so good.
I know, that's awesome.
That's actually really lovely. Anyway, very happy with what we got. I'll do a little haul when I get home. I did break my promise and I did get myself things because I said I was only going Christmas shopping, but I did get what I needed to get. So I'm happy about that. It does smell good, right? I'm gonna do a little haul of the things that I ended up getting. Not the gifts, just in case anyone's lurking. Actually, my mom already knows about this because she picked it out, but she wanted the Victor Rolf Good Fortune Eau de Parfum. So got this. Sephora had like a one-time deal for 20% off again. So everything I got at Sephora was 20 off, which was really nice. And I've also been obsessed with the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip oils. They are my favorite lip products right now. So I got the Juicy Lip Cream. This one's in the color Desert Rose. I'm gonna link this one down below, and I'm gonna link my other favorite one down below in case you're interested. But it's just so pretty, and I've been getting a lot of questions about what lip products I've been using, and I just love these ones. They're so good. Also, they're definitely on the more affordable side for higher end makeup. And then because I did have that 20% off, I figured I should get a refill of my favorite perfume, which is Replica Lazy Sunday Morning. It smells like a fresh Sunday crisp linen sheets, crisp air, so good. I'm almost done with my other one, so I thought since I could get a better deal, I should grab this. Already showed you my pit spray. And then from Aritzia, I have this in white and black, but it's this workout top. So comfy. Sometimes I don't want to wear just a sports bra, so it's nice to kind of have this option. So those are some of the things that I got Christmas shopping. Definitely a success. I feel like it was nice to go in person because like I said, I only have gone online shopping. So I'm definitely feeling more in the Christmas mood now. We're gonna do a gingerbread competition making contest. How do you feel?
I think I'm gonna smash this.
I accidentally bought mansion-sized gingerbread houses from Target.
As you can see, Ava got a new toy.
What?
This wireless microphone, unless you already used it did you use it in the video yet?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. She actually got this just for me so you guys can hear me because apparently no one can hear me when I'm talking.
So we're gonna be rating these. You guys are gonna be the judges because I'm obviously gonna think mine is better. But the thing is, Mike is a very artistic person. Yes, you are. I feel like everything I do just looks like kids art, like kids arts and crafts. So this will be really interesting. I'm excited to get into this. We're currently watching Home Alone 2, and we're gonna build some gingerbread houses.
Hey. Patience.
So this is my gingerbread house. It crumbled apart in front of my eyes, and then there's Micah's, so beautiful and perfect. This is just such a representation. I almost lost my shit, I'm not gonna lie. This sends me. Wow, guys. Ta-da! Okay, it is daytime now. Here is what she looks like in natural lighting. Still a little rough. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I would feel so guilty. But like, I'm not gonna eat it, right? I don't even like gingerbread that much. I've kind of just been tearing it apart limb from limb and eating little pieces of the candy here and there, but I'm not gonna lie, I had a lot higher hopes for this. I didn't realize how difficult it was. I think what sends me the most is the back looks like it was written in blood. So I wanted to do a little unboxing because I got this very festive box from Hollister, so I thought I'd open it with you guys. Aw, this is so cute. I think it's a bunch of winter themed goodies. I love this. I actually have this in a short sleeve version. This is one of my favorite tops from them. So cute. They have really, really good staple pieces. Got this cute little scarf. My parents are going to New York for Christmas, so I might give this to my mom so she can use it while she's there. Wow. And these little slouchy socks. So cute. And a little hat. I'm so sad. I wish I could wear this. I truly do. I truly do. Single serve s'more. What? Packaged marshmallow. Two pieces of graham crackers and Hershey's. This is so cute. I have been hyper fixated on red the last month or so. So I'm definitely gonna wear this. It's adorable. It's like that rib material. An electric s'mores maker. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to use this very soon. And then lastly, these plaid pants, which I modeled these when I was shooting for their winter campaign, which if you haven't seen, go to your local mall and you'll see the campaign that I was a part of. Hollister, love you. You guys are the best. Their team is so sweet. It's always so cool meeting the people behind a brand, because you forget that brands have like literal human beings behind them, and their team, one of the best I've ever worked with. So that was so sweet. Thank you. I might keep this on for the duration of the video. Because next, I've been wanting to do this. If you watched my first holiday vlog, I bought ingredients to make holiday themed drinks, and I kind of want to do that now because I finally got a blender. My other one broke, so I haven't had one, and I needed a blender for the recipe that I want to try, so I think we're gonna chef something up now. I'm gonna make frozen hot chocolate martinis. I'll link the recipe down below in case you want to try it, but it's very straightforward. You just need Bailey's, vodka, ice, hot chocolate mix, whipped cream. I also bought, I'll show you what I bought. It's kind of extra for no reason, but it's called whip shots. They are alcohol infused whipped cream. Very dangerous, tastes pretty good. That's kind of doing the most, but if you're into that. I've never been much of a mixologist, so I don't know. I just thought this would be like a fun little activity to do, make a holiday themed cocktail. So really all you have to do is blend everything together. Is 2 steps, so should be pretty easy. This one would genuinely send me over the edge right now, so I'm gonna play it safe.